Yogi Virendra Yogi.
Namaste.
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 I am Dr. Satyanarayana.
Thank you.
If the person knows he is going to be short time, what is his reaction?
Oh, Dr. Satyanarayana, always your questions are very enlightening and very effective. What you have asked, I want to tell my viewers that if a person is aware of the transitory nature of life, a very short living life on this planet Earth, because we know that billions and billions of creatures were born and ultimately it was all over with them. So every creature who is born is going to die one day. We don't know even the time when anybody is going to die. So your question is very interesting and very illuminating and very guiding to the right direction. If a person knows that anytime he will die, then he will be very conscious. He will be very thoughtful person. He will be very intelligent person. He will be very clever person. Every moment he will spend very wisely. Every action will be guided by his noble thoughts. He will definitely follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. He will create no enmity with anyone. He will not harm any creature because he knows that he is himself going to die very soon. As stated by the greatest Alexander the Great when he was dying, he said that nobody is going to carry any wealth. Nobody is going to be saved by some great physicians. No wealth, no power, no position is going to be with you. You are alone going. At the age of 33 he died. So people should learn that once death comes, you will take nothing from this earth. Just simply live with contentment, live happily, love everyone, care for everyone, share whatever wisdom, intelligence, health, wealth, peace, prosperity you have acquired. Induce all these beautiful qualities in them. I will let you know one story of Kabir Das. One great Indian monk and saint, the wisest man of India like Buddha was Kabir Das. He has a disciple, a widow. The widow was very intelligent lady and she was following the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. But accidentally her son, only son, he became a deviant. He was doing everything which was antagonistic to the philosophy of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. Means he was greedy, he was angry, he was jealous, he was cynical. He was always indulged in bestial thoughts. All evil thoughts in his mind. Violence was his way. Fighting, cruel attitude was his tricks and philosophy and creed. Then she was very unhappy. One day, Kabir asked her, why you are so sorry? Because sorrow, suffering, grief and pain is the result of our thinking. As you are a very pious lady, you always dwell in purity of thoughts. Joy should follow you every moment. But why you are so sorry? Because you have never sown the seed of evils. Then why you are harvesting the fruits of your noble thing in a bad way? She told Sant Kabir, I am good, but my son is doing evil things. And as I am his mother, so I feel very sorry for my son. He told, okay, bring your son to my cottage. Then this lady brought her son to the cottage of Kabir Das. Kabir Das talked to him for a few seconds and said him, hey boy, you are going to die tomorrow 4 o'clock. You are going to die tomorrow 4 o'clock. You are going to die tomorrow 4 o'clock. The boy listened very carefully. But he knew that Kabir Das was a great saint. He never told any lie. So he trusted his words. Then he was puzzled. He was anxious. He was worried. He was in severe tension. His mind was very turbulent. He said, I am going to die. This is just an example that people do not know they are going to die. So that was a great philosophy which you could understand first time in his life, that tomorrow at 4 o'clock he is going to die. Then he ran away from the cottage. Kabir told, come, talk to me. Told, no, Kabir Das. I knew that I am going to die. So now I am very serious about my life. I have been indulged in all evils, all devils, cruelty, killing, murdering, massacring, abusing, not doing any good thing. Let me go. You really told him the truth. This guy went there. He started going door to door, tell, sorry, I am going to die tomorrow 4 o'clock. I have done a lot of evils to you. Please forgive me. And whole day Another night he did this. Other day, 4 o'clock, he was just lying on the bed. You can say deathbed. Then Kabir reached his house just 1 hour before, 3 o'clock. And he asked, what are you doing? You are always indulging cruelty, abusive, murdering, raping, doing all the evils. What are you doing now? Why are you resting? He told, no, Kabir, enough. I have done all the wrong in my life. Now this is the 1 hour when I want peace. I want to enjoy and I want to ask forgiveness from the universe. I have been an evil soul. I didn't do any good. Don't disturb me, Kabir. Even you are great. I don't like to waste my time even with you. Let me be the universe, the supreme intelligence. When Kabir understood that, this guy realized that life is very short, and in this short-lived life, we should only do noble work. That is, we should see the world a beautiful place, as is done by the poets, the thinkers, the philosophers, the prophets, and the scientists and the inventors. They made the beautiful world, conquer time and space. He understood. Then he told, come on, boy, come on. I do not know what will happen tomorrow. How can I know that you will die? Simply just to enlighten you and educate you that life is very short-lived. Follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. Don't harm anyone. Love everyone. Maintain a harmonious relation with the universe. Come on, you will not die because I don't know. The boy was very happy. He told, sure, I'm not going to die. He told, no. Your evils have died now. Now you are enlightened man, better than and greater than me. Satnarayan, the summary and the bottom line is this: if people understand that they are going to die, then they'll never do any evil things. Their thought will be purified. They will have only noble thoughts, and they all become Buddhas, Vivekananda, Kabir Das, Tulsi Das, Surdas, and Abraham Lincoln, and all the great men who just lived on this planet. Thank you very much for this question.
Thank you.